Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter here out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. This video is the 5th video of the 30-day YouTube video challenge. And what I want to talk to you today about is the Power Lead system and how to create capture pages through the Power Lead system. The Power Lead system is an awesome system that I use for marketing purposes. And I market my business opportunity online every day through the Power Lead system, even while I'm away from my computer, even while I'm not at home, even while I'm not on my telephone. The Power Lead system is working for me. With the Power Lead system, you're getting access to templates that's already laid out for you that you can copy, that you can revise, and promote your own capture pages. The templates are capture pages, whereas you can start building a contact list through these pages. Excuse me. And I just love creating the capture pages. And I love building a list. I have over 6,000 leads inside of the Power Lead system. I won't go to contacts to show you the leads because I don't want to reveal other people's information. Now, with the Power Lead system, of course, you have to join. You can join Lead Lightning for $7 one-time fee, which is the beginning part of the Power Lead system, and you don't have to go any further. And you will still have a capture page and an autoresponder. This Power Lead system has pre-written messages that will go out on your behalf to promote itself or to promote itself and your business opportunity. Now, once you join the Power Lead system, of course, you're going to get a domain. All these are going to be red. You're going to add a domain first. And you will go through that. You will go through the training and everything on how to get started, how to purchase your domain. And you can get your domain right through the Power Lead system for $12 a year, maybe a few cents, but it's worth it all. Once you get your domain, you're going to come over here. You're going to click on websites. We're creating a capture page now. We're creating our own capture page. We're going to click on websites and it's going to bring up this dialog box, and you can go over here and you can click on manage subdomains. No, what we want to do first, we don't want to manage subdomain because you haven't created a subdomain. Let's go over here to websites and click on websites right here. Once you click on websites, you're going to have access to all these templates. Some might not show on in your back office because these are funnels. Some of friends that I have copied their share codes, and their capture pages come up here as well for me to use. But down here is where you will see the capture pages that you can use to promote your Power Lead system or Lead Lightning. Right here is the Power Lead system capture page. Just go all the way down till you see PLS Lead Capture, and you will see different numbers, different capture pages. And what we want to do, we're going to copy one of these. Go all the way back to the top. We copy them so we can revise them to make it our own. And we're going to click right here where it say click here to make a copy of one of these pages so you can edit it. We're going to click right here. And so you didn't have a subdomain. You have purchased your domain. Now you want to make a subdomain. We're going to create, before we create a subdomain, we're going to click right here. Right here say become a prospect for whatever you want. Leave it there. Leave it there. Don't click on become a free lead system forever member. Don't click there. Just leave it at become a prospect for whatever I want. and go all the way back down to the Power Lead System lead capture pages. And we're going to choose one. Now over here it says copy this page name and email, copy this page email only, copy this page name, email, and phone. Now I always select this email only because a lot of people don't like to put in too much information. I don't know why. Well, yes, I do know why, for security reasons. Okay, we're gonna just bring up this page for an example to see how it looks. Now what we're gonna do, we copying this page. What we're gonna do, we're gonna revise these words to say what we want them to say. And we're gonna make this space just one space just for the email only address. And we're gonna put a background in it. And we're gonna have this button right here we're gonna program it to go to any page that we want it to go to. All right. So we see the page as it is. So we're gonna select copy this page email only. Now we're gonna go all the way back up. No, it's not there. Let's go all the way down and click make a copy. Make me a copy. Okay, right here, we're going to have the opportunity not to use just our domain, but create a subdomain. Up here is the title of your page. I'm just going to put on here lead lightning teaching. And right here is where this right here would be for your eyes only. This to just let you know what page you have created, remind you of the page you created. Right here is what the people will see once they click on your page. They will see this in their browser. Okay. We're going to just say creating capture pages. Okay, we got that done. Let's put a domain. Right here is where you will create a subdomain. Anything you put before your domain, this is your domain. Your domain will always be right here. And it'd be a dot in between your domain and the space. Right before that dot, you're going to put in what you want to name your page, your subdomain. Creating capture page. And don't put any spaces in between there. Just put it all together. And then we're going to go all the way down and just say save changes to the web page. Save changes. Okay, you have a domain created, your subdomain created. Now you want to put a background on it. You remember the background we had? You can use the same background or you can change the background. Let's change the background. You have this option. You can select any you want. Let's put a different background on it. Let's just pick a simple one. I tell you what. Let's choose this one. Let's choose this one right here. Boom. Click on the inside of that. And now you have your background. Let's just take a look at it. Click review. And then we're going to view the web page. See how that look? That's the background that I put on that. It's totally changed. And I have this space, just one space for the email address for your subscribers. And right here, we can change the words of this one right here to what we wanted to say. I don't particularly like that background, but this is just for an example. Okay, let's edit text. Edit text. Okay. Edit text. You could select that whole thing, but let's just select the words right here. And start copying. Start printing, I mean. Video reveals how to create your own capture pages. And then it says make over $227 daily with new push button system. Let's take this down a notch. Okay, let's highlight this and put a different color on this one. We go back up right here and we select A, which is the text colors, and we're going to put a color. Let's put yellow on there and see how it looks. It doesn't look too good. Let's select it again and put another color on there. Let's just go ahead and put a maroon or red on there. Now that looks better. Now we're gonna just save changes. Save changes. And let's view the page. See how it looks? Before I go, I want to go over and change that background. I don't like the background. Let's go back to background. Let's just put a little fire behind it. Boom. Just like that. Save changes. Move to the next step. Let's view the page. View your page. And with this system, you also will introduce it to your friends and your business partners. See how that looks? That's the background. That's just to show you, you can, you can choose what background you want. We can there you go, just like that. And we're going to go back over here. And we're going to go back to web pages. First of all, I still need to show you one thing else. Let's do the edit basics. On the edit basics, you see we have the name of our capture page. That's Lead Lightning Teaching. And then creating capture pages is what your subscribers will see. And you can program this to go to different funnels. You have different autoresponder messages that will go out, and you will learn what they are all about once you join Lead Lightning Power Lead System. All these are different messages that will go out. You can program this capture page to take your subscribers to any one of these messages. Let's go to, just say Lead Lightning in Primary Business. And then you can also direct it to whatever page you want to direct it to by putting a link right here. If you wanted to go to a video once a person subscribe or put their email address, you can put that video URL right here. And right here is where you put your search engine optimization words here, describing what the page is all about, describing what you're promoting, and then put keywords right here. That's very important. Okay, now we're going to go back over to web pages. See, this right here is what I just created. And all these I have created. I just have fun doing this. And we're going to go back home. Websites. let's